Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News na ikorwo mugeni twika wa subscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio. Triza wa Muraya ni arekereirie yet again ndeto ya tiga a Kenya na gikeno kinene. Triza akionania uhotani mweru big wins undu uria akenete muno niguo very unexpected huge wins riri athiite na mbere kuonio wendo ni namba nene ya Kenya thutha wake kwirutira na kuya mwerekera mweru muturire-ini wake. Triza atigitwo ategwitikia ndeto ino ya mwanya andu marikite kumwikira na wendo mwingi uhotani uria egwatire riri Karangu Muraya aumite nja wa bururi kuria atwarite Apostle John Paul Thibitari bururi-ini wa India. As we all know, kindu few weeks ago Karangu ni arakorirwo akirekereria updates ciĩgiĩ ndwari ya Apostle, but he never mentioned to accompany him to India. Indi kuri muthi wa ira Karangu Muraya ni aronanirie me kiharo-ini kia ndege mena Apostle for their departure to India, tukiendithiria Apostle John Paul kuhona na mashabiki Kikuyu celebrities ona aini ni meumirite na njira nene muno gukungwanira na makinyukia ma uhotani maria Triza wa Muraya athiite na mbere kwigwatira na ari kindu kana thiku igiri hituku. Triza ararekereirie ndumiriri ya mwanya agicokeria gikundi kia andu aria makoretwo makimutindikiriria Triza arie githungu ni undu wa brands iria ararutira wira, na Triza ni akoretwo kana ni arakorirwo akiuga kenda kwaria githungu and she is comfortable communicating na language iria comfortable nayo. Na Triza aiyirwo ni gikeno ni ahithurite ati haria mundu werutira kumurihira cukuru athie agathome ruthiomi rwa githungu, a very unexpected move. Triza akiuria eroreria ng'enda ciake mamuri comment cukuru njega iria angithoma tu language ya githungu niguo ndakagie kana agie na undu ungimuhingiriria kwaraniria na andu othe kuri brands iria onete wira kuona. Triza augite, hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share some exciting news with you all. Stay Scanners have generously decided to sponsor me to join a college for an English as a business language course. This is such an incredible opportunity and I'm beyond grateful to Stay Scanners for their support and believe in me. Thank you, Stay Scanners. Now I need your help. If any one of you know of a great college or institution that offers this course, please drop your recommendations in the comments. I would love to hear your suggestions and insight. Thank you all for your continued support. Let's make this next chapter amazing. Triza akiuga it's her new beginnings. Arikionereria giate very soon ni agukorwo agicoka cukuru. A Kenya makiumire na njira nene kwendekithia Triza to take this opportunity to get US visa niguo athie guthomera cukuru wa kuu USA. Josephine Mwaura ariwe wirite Triza Muraya ati that's a good opportunity for getting US visa. Tell them you would like one college in the USA. I'm sure you get a visa with your kids together. May God continue to bless you. Na kuri ndeto iria itigite Triza atakuhota kuhingiriria gikeno giake ni thutha wake finally kwigwatira another big wins. Triza wa Muraya, the newest Kikuyu gospel artist, finally ni egwatire uhotani wa mwanya ariwe muini uria wahota gukinya views makiria ma milioni 1 kahinda-ini ka wiki igiri na rwimbo rwake rwa mbere. Congratulations Triza for this new big milestone. Ari uhotani munene uria akenereirwo kana wakereranwo ni Akenya aingĩ. Triza agitigwo akenete makiria 1 million views in her first song. Uyu ari uhotani wa mwanya Triza egwatire. Triza akiuga all glory to God, thank you 1 million plus views korwo ndwokire andu onao makiumiria gukungwanira nake uhotani uyu wa mwanya. Costin Ongaro ari wa mbere kuga when God decide to uplift you no man can say no. You are a true testament of resilience and perseverance. God's timings is the best. Go 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 girl, the sky is the limit. We are proud of your blessings in abundance. Kiana Products akirikia na kuga when you change your thoughts you change your world. Kikuyu Daily News, subscribe.